Today I am talking about how to keep your baby's teeth healthy. Whenever we think about our baby's health, do we think about oral health, dental care? No, it is very important to maintain your baby's dental health at early age because your baby has 20 primary teeth. Primary teeth, it means a baby teeth inside their oral cavity. It is important to clean them and maintain them for better growth, for better nutrition they will have. Yes. So at early age, like even before first tooth appears in baby's mouth, you can start cleaning their gums with a clean washcloth to remove any harmful bacteria the baby having inside the cavity. After that, once the first tooth appears, you can start using toothbrush and toothpaste. Very tiny amount of toothpaste you can start using. Between age of 1 to 2, you can start switching from the bottled milk or bottled water to the sippy cups or cups. It is very important because if your child is having milk at night from the bottle, it is said that the pull of the harmful bacteria create around the baby's teeth and it can cause cavity at very early stage in your child's mouth. Yes, so to prevent that, you can switch to the sippy cups. After age of 2, you can start using pea size of toothpaste, fluoridated toothpaste, and clean them at least for 2 minutes in a day. And start teaching your baby to spit the toothpaste, because if they digest the more amount of toothpaste, it can be harmful for them. And then you can start teaching your baby very good oral health care habits like brushing and flossing, and you can supervise till the age of 8 and 9. And second thing we can do, we can avoid sugary or sticky food in early stage of child's life. Or else you can start developing toothbrushing habit after having this kind of food for your child's good oral care. And this third thing you can do is visit your dentist early in child's life, because likewise you visit pediatrician every year to know how your child is growing. It is very important to check your child's dental health also to know how your child is growing. So yes, visit dentist whenever early as possible to avoid any kind of dental cavitation or any chance of dental cavity or any malalignment. The dentist can see at early stage and they can prevent it. So yes, take good care of your child's teeth and stay healthy and keep smiling.